Alrighty. Good morning, good evening, good night, in case I don't see, whatever, all that from that thing, that show about the guy. Anyway, here we are. We're back again. We're going to do some rivets. We're going to do some Sam Browne buttons here. These are called Sam Browne buttons. Let's, if you can see them there, it screws into the bottom of that and it's all nice and tight. Anyway, so those go in the middle here. And put them on. And of course I did forget the one thing I need for this. That'll go there. I will grab that one thing and be right back. Okie doke. That one thing would be out of this bright little kit here. And that would be the Phillips. The tiny Phillips. That's a good one. Yeah, nice and tight in there. And the other one. Yeah, I did pretty good there. Alright. Nice and tight. Get this bright thing out of your faces there. And then we have rivets. These go in here. And tops on there. They just kind of snap in place. Snap, snap. All right, now use a little bit of metal on metal for this. I always say down there. Actually, wondering here if you can tell this. I'm gonna go ahead and switch some rivets here. We're going to go ahead and pause and we'll be right back. Okay, well, we're not doing that. These are the smallest rivets I have. So let's go ahead and hope that they work out nicely. This is my cute little anvil here. My cute little hammer here. So I think that's not too bad. Get another shot on this one here. Now these normally, if my leather was thick enough, it would be like 4 or 5 and that would be done, but since it's thinner, I want to be careful I don't mess it up too much. That's all good and tight there. Alright, that works. So again, go nice and easy on this one. Alright, hopefully that wasn't too loud for y'all's ears. So that is the front of the bag. We'll put that to the side. And we'll do this one. Now these are those leftover pieces that I had from the other. Those will be used to stitch the 3 small stitches on here, etc. What we do is we go from the back with these. Hey look, fingers don't work. There we go. 1. Like so. Snap. Snap. I'm going to do this one next. So you got this thing all cut out. Then I realized that this piece actually doesn't really do anything. It just kind of looks cool sitting there. I don't know. I'm gonna hold off on this one. I may redo this piece. Maybe I'll put initials there or something. We'll see. We're gonna hold off for now, which means that its rivets get to come over and live over here. Snap. Snap. The reason for the many love taps is because the long post wants to shift one way or the other. Slow and easy. Catch my thing. Catch. Can you still see? Alright, that one's done. We'll have to pay more attention to that. Just 1 second. All right. Gotta watch the banging. My little movable light there. Moved. It slid that way on its little posts and knocked the legs to the camera. Alright, so those are good there. And this is the flap. This is going to go on the back of the whole thing, like so. You see them brown buttons will pop through, like so. Anyway, like that. Something like that. Anyway, alright, so that's it for this quick little video. We're going to go ahead and take care of this piece next. And this we're going to stitch on to this, like so. Alright, now let's hope that my little lights didn't mess up the whole thing. Catch you next time.